Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be walking you through how to perform an oil change service on a 997 generation Porsche 911. We're going to be working on my 2005 Carrera S today. Let's dive in. So here's a quick look at the tools and the parts you're going to need to perform the oil change service on the 997 generation 911. I'll add these to the description in the video as well. One thing I do want to call out is that the 997 and the 987 take the exact same oil filter. So if you're going to perform this service on a 987 generation Cayman or Boxster, it's the exact same parts, exact same part numbers.
So let's start with getting the oil pan drain plug removed, which is an 8mm hex. All right, now that the oil is all drained and it's at a slow drip, we're gonna reinstall the new drain plug and washer. And a tip on this washer is that the flat side always goes against the back of the new drain plug. Again, this will be an 8mm hex, and we're gonna tighten this down to 37 foot-pounds. All right, our new drain plug and washer are installed. We're gonna snug it up just a little bit. And then we're going to tighten this down to 37 foot-pounds with the torque wrench. All right, now tightening down to 37 foot-pounds. Now we're going to move on to removing the oil filter housing and putting on a new oil filter. All right, so let's pull off the old filter. Before we install our new oil filter, we want to make sure that we remove this ring from the old oil filter casing and replace it with the new one that came with the kit. I like to use a flathead, or you can use a pick or pry tool to pull this out of here. And then one tip is when putting the new ring on, you always want to lubricate it with a little bit of oil, which I just add a little oil on my glove. Wipe this around the ring. All right, now just reinstalling the ring so it sets into that groove. So here's a quick look underneath. We're going to install our filter and then install the filter housing. This just pushes on. You'll hear it kind of pop into place. Now we're going to grab our housing and install that. And we start by twisting this on by hand. Get it aligned with the grooves. Okay, we're going to tighten this up with a wrench until it seats. And then we're going to torque it to spec, which is going to be 19 foot-pounds. All right, we've got our torque wrench on. We're going to now torque to 19 foot-pounds. So at this point, we're ready to start refilling the car with oil. We got our engine lid open, and what we're going to do is remove this filler tube from being snapped into this housing to make it easier. The owner's manual calls for 9 quarts with an oil and filter change. What I normally like to do is put in about 8.5 quarts, run the car for a little bit, and top it off from there. But generally, I've never seen it take more than 8.5 quarts. At this point, we finished adding 8.5 quarts of oil to the car. I've reinstalled this filler cap. I'm gonna place it back in here. We're gonna start the car, let it run, then double check to see if we need to top it off. All right, and we are wrapped with our 997 generation Porsche 911 oil change. If you guys found this video helpful, please be sure to hit that like button. Talk to y'all soon.